Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have the baggy method that I do on my hair during the winter time and even like all year round when I have really dry ends. And this is a way to really hydrate and seal and moisturize your ends because especially during the winter time, our hair is like rubbing against our clothes and our scarves and our coats and everything like that. But if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and also make sure to hit that notification bell if you haven't already, because it will notify you when I upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm sorry this video is a day late. I'm uploading this on a Monday, but I don't know if you guys can tell from my voice, I am a little bit sick. This weekend I had like events and stuff to do like every day, and I feel like my body is a little bit run down, so that's what we're dealing with. I apologize again for my appearance. I feel like I look really sick. I tried to cover it up with some makeup and everything, but yeah, that is really all I have to tell you guys. I don't have any updates or anything besides that I'm sorry this video is late. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I do the baggy method on my head, let's go ahead and get right into it. Once again, I apologize guys if I'm a little bit low energy in this video. It is because I am really tired and I just really want to take a nap, but I will always film for you guys if I can. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. I hate it when my hair gets stuck under my nails. It's like the worst feeling. But I'm just going to brush out my hair. I honestly haven't been taking the best care of my hair. Like I've said in previous videos, I've just been kind of moisturizing, sealing, and putting it in a bun. I haven't really been co-washing or doing anything like that, so I'm just using my wet brush to kind of separate my hair. And I do this baggy method probably either once or twice a week, depends on how much time I have during the week, because like I said, I've been pretty busy. So I just go ahead and split my hair in half, and I usually like to work in quadrants, 4 sections, because that's the easiest way for me to get all of my hair. I know some people can work in like 2 sections or you know, whatever works for them, but with my thick hair, it is probably the best for me to work in 4 sections. So I of course don't have a clip today, but that's alright. I'm just going to show you guys a few sections, like 2 sections, because it's literally the same thing on all of them. So I'm going to start off with this back section and just make sure that it's detangled. As you guys can see, I just took off my bonnet for the day. I just got out of bed, had some tea, and excuse me, put on some makeup and decided to film this video for you guys. What was I going to say? I was going to say something. I have like sick brain right now, so everything I think of, I'm like, I don't remember what I was going to say. But I usually do this at night before I go to bed. That way all of the moisture and everything has a chance to settle into my hair. But I'm filming this a little bit earlier just so that I can get it up for you guys earlier in the day. So I'm just going ahead and spraying my hair with some of this Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Make sure to get the ends. I like really wet the ends of my hair while doing this because, like I said, my ends really need it. So once that is all distributed throughout my hair, I go ahead in with this Elastic QP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. My hair loves this leave-in conditioner. So I take about a dime size and I just apply this from like 3/4 of my hair down. I don't really apply this really all the way up to my roots, but I mean I sometimes do, because I feel like my natural oils really do moisturize the root of my hair, but I feel like from like here down, I would say, is where my hair gets really dry. So I just go ahead and do that, and I make sure it's all incorporated, and then I go ahead once again and just brush through to make sure that all of the product is all over my hair. And then I go ahead in with this Renewing and Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil for Dry and Coarse Hair from OGX. I love this oil so much. I just take probably like a little less than a pea size, and I just apply this all over my hair as well. My hair loves this oil. It just makes it so soft and so smooth. So I really, really love it. Make sure to get the ends of your hair. I just kind of smooth down the cuticle by rubbing it between my fingers like that. And then I go ahead and just kind of twirl it up like I was doing like a bantu knot. Like this. Make sure to get the ends, and then I just kind of wrap it loosely around my head. And then I take just a Walmart bag. You can use any shopping bag that you have. I just happen to have a ton of, you know, Walmart bags for when I do my grocery shopping and stuff. So I just take that and wrap it around the little knot, like so. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. And just twisting, 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 until it kind of locks itself into place because we did all that twisting. But if I'm going to sleep, I'm kind of a wild sleeper, not gonna lie. So I just take one of these little rubber bands and just put it over just to kind of secure it and make sure that everything's good. So I'm going to show you guys another section here just so that you guys understand the total process, what I do. So first I detangle with my wet brush. I love the wet brush, guys. If you don't have a wet brush, you're definitely missing out. I also really love the Tangle Teaser as well. That's just in the other room and I'm too lazy to go get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair with this Cream of Nature spray. I've been using this spray for years and it just makes my hair so hydrated, so moisturized. I make sure to also really get the parts of my hair where like I split it, because that is another area where my hair gets really dry. It's like inside, but I've been actually doing pretty well because I've been exercising a lot, so there's a lot of like extra oil on my hair, like in my scalp. So I just go ahead and do that, and then like I said, make sure to really get the ends really wet because that is what we are moisturizing. And I feel like when my hair is wet is when the leave-in conditioner and the oil really penetrate my strands. So once again, taking this Elastic QP leave-in conditioner and just placing that on my hair as well. Making sure to focus it on the ends, like I said. And I also, when I get up here, really like to focus it on my edges. In the back, I do put a little bit on my nape as well, just because the nape, I feel like we forget to moisturize it, and the nape rubs against our clothes a lot and our scarves and everything like that. And now I'm going in with the OGX Deep Penetrating Oil. I'm sorry for the sniffles, guys. And I just go ahead and apply that as well to the edges, and then I twist loosely like I was doing a bantu knot. Make sure you get the ends, and then I twist it up like so. Take a plastic bag. You could use like Ziploc bags if you don't have plastic bags, but I just personally have a ton of plastic bags, like I said. So I just go ahead and twist twist, twist, and twist. And like I said, if you're not a wild sleeper like I am, you probably could just leave it like that, but I always go ahead and take a little extra precaution and pop on a rubber band. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and I will speed forward through that, and then I will come back in the end to let you guys know what else is up. Let's go ahead and finish the other half of my hair. Alright guys, so once you look like an alien, this is actually the finished look, not even kidding. But like I said, I usually do this overnight, like I said, or this one's not staying. But, or if I know like I'm staying in the house for all day, I'll do it in the morning and just leave it in until the next day, because it's just a really easy way to just have your hair moisturized and everything like that. So, I have also seen people do it with just like a bun in the back and just have that as their baggy method. My hair is way too thick for that. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering like, why does she just do like one big thing in the back? That's because my hair is too thick, and I feel like I'm missing a lot of my hair when I just do a ponytail in the back, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like I'm missing like this whole top section of ends of my hair. So, but if that's what you do, more power to you, girl. I just find that this method works better for me because I have so much hair. So yeah, once you do all that, I just go ahead in the morning and take down my hair. Like normal, I usually wear a bonnet to sleep, like this bonnet right here, and I just let the moisturizers do their work, moisturizer and the oil, and I wake up and my hair is super soft, super hydrated, super moisturized, and I just style as usual. So nothing crazy, nothing drastic changes or anything like that. But if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you guys have any requests for hair videos that you would like me to do, I really want to do a flexi rod set, and I also want to show you guys my co-wash routine. So those videos will be coming very soon. Once again, I apologize for my voice and if I'm a little bit down in this video, but hopefully by the next one I will be feeling better and will be able to chat with you guys more. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.